Because Kelli Jo was so excited to book and reserve this room but didn't get to stay in it, here's a quick tour of the exciting parts of the room. The view. The painting. The sink. I still can't get over this picture. All I did was go to that machine to buy tickets, and I turn around, and within 15 seconds, the subway is closed. Time to find the bus. So I found Kelli Jo and Shanta, and they are shocked and amazed by the Arc de Triomphe. We made it to the Arc de Triomphe, but we only have a limited amount of time, and in 5 minutes we gotta get back to the train station to get on our train and get the heck out of Paris, heading to Rome. Our train is late 1 hour. Ooh, I just realized that's gonna make us miss our connection. I gotta go talk to these people again. I'm dumb and didn't realize the destination was written on the train. Oh boy, we're having fun. Right, Shanta? A lot of fun. Made it to not all the way. We made it to Turin. We're all excited to get on a sleeper car right now because we are absolutely slap happy. like everything is funny and stupid and
it's not. And your jokes are getting worse and worse by the minute.
Late night, anything's funny.
Come and see the violence inheriting the system. Help, help, I'm being oppressed.
This girl. We got to the train station with 7 minutes to make our connection, and now we're stranded for the night in Torino, Italy.
But we're going to get amazing gelato and lots of wine.
I speak a handful of languages and none of them help here.
However, someone came up with a wonderful idea to go into the hotel where the concierge spoke English.
Yeah.
And ask her to help us find a hotel.
We're in the elevator.
Oh god.
Euro elevators.
It's so small. It's so small.
It was a stinky train ride, and we're on the Euro elevator.
Exactly. And I am at armpit level with both of these people.
We were supposed to be asleep on a train right now, and we're slap happy running around Torino, Italy. We had 2 alarms go off throughout the night. Kelli's alarm went off, and she shut it off within 5 minutes. Then went back to bed, and Shantae's went off for an hour. Everybody slept through it. The good thing is we woke up just before breakfast ends. I've separated from Kelli and Shanta because I gotta go and try to find the SNCF office, if there even is one here in Torino. And I have to try and figure out how we're gonna get to Rome.